All right, good afternoon, good morning, everyone. I don't know if I'm even gonna upload this, but figured I'd record it just in case, 'cause why not? Maybe it comes out to be a cool video and helps some people out, maybe it doesn't. Um, so if you're watching this, my secret project, Jak the Chicken, has been released, and it'll be sometime in the future, because I'm not releasing this early or anything like that. But in the game, I want to add a an ice eco effect. So I want whenever you collect this eco, I want whatever music is playing to stop. Um, I want the ground to become slippery, and potentially maybe even we speed jack up. I don't know. We'll figure that out when we get there. But yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and jump in and add a new eco type. So I have already added a new eco type, which is a low gravity uh, eco. So let's go take a look at that real quick. See what that looks like. So this here is a new eco type. I'm not gonna worry so much about like the colors and the particles. It's gonna look like yellow eco or blue eco or whatever. We can fix that stuff later. I just want to get the functionality of the eco working. But this here is the low gravity eco, and you can see it gives you like low gravity at the moment. I might change this a little bit so that it also increases Jack's jump height or something. I'm not sure. It's not finalized, but basically we want to do that, but we're gonna create an ice eco. So we're gonna search for eco dash new, I believe is what I called it. I could be wrong on this. Yeah, okay. So we have eco dash new here on the pickup type. So perfect. We're just gonna go straight down the list and kind of duplicate things for a little while here. So this is eco new. So this is gonna be eco ice right here. Here is a part group for eco new. We're gonna skip that for now. Um, this here we are gonna initialize a new eco here. So we're gonna do eco ice. Mark here. This determines the look and sound of the new eco. So because this is ice eco, I think yellow eco is honestly our red eco here is our most versatile eco. So we're gonna take our red eco. We're gonna fix our indentation a little bit here. And then we're gonna just use all the red eco stuff for eco ice. I know it seems like a little off, but we're just going to change the red to like a light blue or something. Um, Add collectibles here for timeout. Okay, so we definitely need it here. So pick up type eco ice. Oops. This controls the sound whenever the eco is picked up. We're going to just use the default green eco for now. This is going to be called eco ice. Alright, now here is all this stuff here. Boom. And instead of eco new, we are making eco ice, which is going to be an object of eco ice and going to be a pickup type of eco ice. And then same here, eco ice. I don't know if you're picking up on a pattern here, but yeah, this is pretty much what needs to happen at least for now. So here's eco new, eco ice. Did I actually eco new? What did I do? Here's eco ice. This shouldn't be eco ice. This should still be eco new. Okay, hold on, undo. Okay, eco new, eco new, eco new, eco new, eco ice, pickup type, eco ice. There we go. Remember, this needs to be eco ice. So now we have a dev type eco ice, and then we also have our initialization from entity method here. Cool. Perfect. Eco ice. Okay, right here. If okay, and then this is kind of spawns in the eco, I believe. So here we're gonna paste this in, and we're gonna say if it is equal to eco ice, eco ice, and then we go down here. Okay, eco new, but we got the ice right after, so that's good. Um, this is what's needed to be able to spawn the eco with the birth pickup command, which is what we're using. So this is very important. So we're going to take this whole thing here, paste it in right there. And this is going to be eco ice, eco ice, eco ice, eco ice, and eco ice. There we go. This is still the birth pickup command, which has now the eco ice underneath, so that looks all good. It's all under eco new. Okay, and this is eco vents. I don't think we're gonna add an ice vent, but again, I guess like why not have it here? Eco ice, and this is just gonna be a different color, but whatever. And this is gonna be, instead of being vent new, it's gonna be vent ice, vent ice, and eco ice. And we also need to make a vent ice. We need to define a vent ice as well. So this is going to be a vent ice type. Okay. Now fact H, pickup type, add new eco here. Order is important, only add to end. Thought we did this already, but I guess not. So there's eco ice. Okay, this handles picking up all eco with a timer. Okay, so this is how we pick up our eco. So pick up type eco ice, and then did we not already do this? I swear we already did this. I guess not. Copy, boom, 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 boom. There we go. And instead of eco green here, this is going to be eco ice. And then logic target. Okay, this was put in add gravity target, which is fine for what this eco was. But our eco is going to be elsewhere. But this is a this here is a decent start of the logic that we're going to need. So now we should, in theory, be able to reload and MI, and it should completely MI all the way through. Our eco ice is added, however, our logic is not. We have an error, unrecognized symbol, eco ice as head of form. So we go here. Oh, because here instead of eco ice, this is supposed to be pickup type because it's an enum. Eco ice. There we go. We're probably gonna have to reload again. No big deal. Might be a few more small errors like that. That's fine. Honestly, I was really on autopilot for pretty much all of that, so kind of is what it is. We will okay, nice. It at least compiles. Now that doesn't mean it works, but for now, we're just gonna say that means it works. Um, so Runs on eco pickup. Code here runs as soon as you pick up any eco case, eco type. So here we're gonna add a new case. Well, I'm kind of thinking about it now, and we kind of need this code to be consistently checking, right? Like, do we currently have eco? Do we have eco? Do we have eco? Do we have eco? And if we don't have eco, we need to turn off the current effect that we have. So we could put it here, and it would run when we pick up the eco. The only problem is that's the only time it would run, and then when we would never know when we ran out of eco. We would never know. Like, say we were to die, the effect would stay on. Um, these kinds of problems. So yeah, this is good for some things, but I don't think it's gonna work for what we need. So this right here is our running every frame function that runs every frame. So inside of the win run mort code block right here, we are going to call a new function. This function is going to be called eco manager. And then checks constantly if we do or do not have eco and what type, then gives effect or turns it off. There we go. Perfect. And then up here, we're going to need a yeah, we could put it right. I'm just trying to think. I guess this is a good enough spot as any. Define eco manager. One. And then boom. And so this should be running every frame. And this says when we have eco ice, do these things. And then when we don't have eco ice, do these things. Pretty pretty simple stuff here. Nothing too crazy here. So the first thing that we want to do when we have eco ice is make it slippery. Is this not MIing? What's it? No, okay. This is compiling now. So when we have eco ice, this is called something dash ice. I know. Care ice. It should be in like surface H or something. I'm not looking to do the ice skating ice just because I don't think that movement is particularly fun, honestly. So target. It should be in like surface or something. So you can't see this, but on the left there, I'm scrolling through my search bar, just trying to find where they define the ice surface. It's weird they don't have it there. What about stone? Sir. Okay. Surface H, stone surface. Here we go. This is what we want right here. Edge surface and all this. So Control F, ice surface. So this is ice. which I think is all we need right here. So the main thing we're gonna want here is this frick, I think. How do we do this before? I think we just always... Alright, so we are going to actually have a fun time here, and we are going to bring up the website. I do this a lot, by the way. Open goal mods, and I recommend most people do this. This isn't a bad thing or anything like that. So we're gonna look up the ice everywhere mod that I made close to a little bit over a year ago now. And we're gonna look at the add mod commit. Okay, so it looks like neutral stone, edge, wade. Okay, this looks like I changed literally everything to, okay, this here is looking like it might be more annoying than I initially thought. Okay, is there a way to automate this? So the problem that I'm having now is I'm gonna wanna set these values to some secondary value, so-called ice. But then I'm also going to want to be able to unset these values, if that makes sense. And I'm trying to think the best way to go about this. What would it be? What would it be? Might actually another thing. There's nothing wrong with asking for help either or collaborating. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna view this file here and posted in the modding Discord, and I'm gonna keep thinking about it, but see if anybody else has any ideas. So, yeah. We have a couple different options here. I think I know the one that I'm looking towards. It's just I don't think it's necessarily the best way to go about it. Do we have anything like this in crowd control maybe that I could borrow? Like, oh no. Mike, we have a crowd control. All right. Well, I kind of think that however that's done is great and all, but we're not gonna hold up on this. I definitely can solve and do these kinds of things um, with some hacky methods. However, I kind of want to know the more proper, elegant, nice solution. Um, I guess we have set standard ground surface, the stone surface. I wonder what this would do actually. Hold on, let's see what this does. Does this just make everything ice? No. Yeah. Just to see what this does look like though, if we go here and we set stone surface to the value of ice surface, and we reload the code and boot. Actually isn't working. Nice. So it gets set at like some kind of. Where would stone surface be? Probably Spider Cave. Yeah, even here it's not very slippery right now, but that's fine for now. Oh, Mike is on after I DM'd him, so hopefully he will know. He said yes, there is an ice command. Okay. Well then, I guess we look that up. So go here, organizations, unofficial mods, maybe. I honestly, the repositories have gotten so split up that I'm not a huge fan of the current configuration by any means. Open goal, Twitch crowd control. This should be it. Alright. Resources. Twitch commands. .py. Control F. Ice. Yeah, protect sacrifice. Okay, so it's not called ice. It's called slip. Oh yeah, command name slippery. Perfect. So, okay, cool. Cool, do you? Cool, I found it, thanks. Do you remember if it is good? All right, we found some code here, so that's cool. We're gonna go ahead and create a comment block here and paste the code in. And the first thing that it does is this, I believe. And we're just gonna constantly do that right now just to kind of see what it does. Oh yeah, this is and I assume this lets you do like, yeah, this lets you do crazy boosteds, which is cool. Okay, cool. So we have everything we need here. So this is going to be turn on the ice slide. Okay, so we now have that, and then I guess this here is what probably turns it off. So we're going to copy that, and when we now this says when we don't have eco new and our whatever condition it sets is equal to this value, then we're obviously going to be turning the function off. So this here turns it off, and we are going to, instead of checking target bank whatever, we are going to check this right here and put it right there. Save. What do we get? Failed to find close parentheses. Looks like too many parentheses. Yeah. Boom. Is that good? That looks better. Okay, it compiled. We're now gonna go into block world, and this is where all the junk is. And somewhere here, I guess, is there something for eco new? No. How does that one egg drop eco new? Because here's, oh, it's a freaking, okay, I remember this now. I remember this. Scale vector. So here, this eco info 1, eco collectible, eco quantity. Eco collectible is the value that we need to change. So we're gonna do Control F and do eco collectible. Okay, so it's right here, but it's a little off screen. So eco collectible 2, that's not the one we want. This one here, eco collectible 4. So we're gonna go to our pickup types, or right here, and this is eco 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we're gonna look for eco 12 probably. So we're gonna hit enter again. Here we have an eco collectible of 1. We don't want that. Collectible of 1. Don't want that. It's got to be one of these. Eco collectible 11. Eco collectible space 11. Okay, right here. So this is the 11th. So that's the eco new. We're now gonna change that to, actually, we're gonna keep that. And we're gonna change a different eco collectible. So that way we can have two different custom ecos coming out of here. So this one here, eco collectible. So this is a 1, and we're going to make it a 12. There we go. Boom. Done. MI. And let's just see if now the baseline function, I think, is set up. Let's honestly though, but this eco quantity, I think we should make this 2. Because you don't get the eco for that long, and I think this is pretty cool and engaging eco, and it's locked behind an egg anyways, so. Alright, so one of these now, and I'm not sure which. Oh, I think that was it. No, that wasn't it? Wait, that should be it. Yeah, that's it. It's just not working, because I don't know if you see how messed up that is, but it's a red eco that then gives me blue on the meter here. So something is wrong, which is cool. We get to go into the troubleshooting step. So we're gonna do a LTMI, and we're gonna go to our custom code. When. So this is true. Oh. Because here, this is still set to eco new instead of eco ice. That's gonna cause problems. Yep, there we go. And now we have slippery and then not slippery. Honestly, I might even crank the eco counter up for this from 2 to 4. Oh, I wonder if this is a strat with this eco, actually. Let me, I wonder if you could do, like, this? Yeah. Like, if you know that you want to get up on this, you could do, like, a roll jump, crouch, like that, and then do a super boosted or whatever. Okay, that's cool. So we do like that. Now we want to, obviously, we're not done yet. We're not done yet. But that is a good start. So I'm looking through. Oh, I think this here is the dev state snow switch activate. No, that's not it. Load level snow. Run in process, deprocess. Okay, here. I think I think I got something here. Nope, that was not it. Okay, there. So this snows. All Deadpool. Choose deactivate when you want to kill your process instead of kill by name. Deactivate. Oh, okay, so this is spawning a new process that says while true. Okay. I see how this code works. So we're again gonna post it here. And so instead of checking if true, we're gonna make sure that we have eco ice. And then snow. I'll do an MI, and obviously it's snowing pretty good over there in Mort the Chicken Land right now. So now we have no snow, and the moment we pick this up, it starts snowing. Oh, I see the mistake here. But it works. It just makes way too much snow. So this is while. So maybe instead of while, this should be if. Maybe that's what we need. But we're getting progress. We're getting progress. Hopefully it just stops now. Is it gonna just stop? Yo, it just stops. And if we grab it again. Nice. That's really good. Now this is just a test, but I wonder if I did a do times let's do it like 7 times. I7. Like that. So now, in theory, we should have 7 times thicker snow, because I do want a little bit of a thicker snow there. Effect. Oh yeah, this is much snowier, I think. Okay, cool. So, the next thing, stop custom music. Inside of our music manager, go to .mp3. Copy this, and now we go and search for stop custom music. So this will stop the custom music right here. And then this here should, music manager, should restart the music. Oh, so this is constantly playing the music, which is, it's a good thing that we caught that. So that means that stone surface is, oh, while equal, wait, why is this, oh, no, when not, oh, I see, because I did not, when this whole thing is a not, but instead I want and I don't want this. I mean, I want this to be a separate condition. How? It looks like the parentheses are gonna line up. No, I was gonna say no way. Okay, when not, or I have an and here already. Hold on a minute. Not and is all of this. Okay, so when and this, I guess this needs to be not equal, maybe? It's still running all the time. I think it would be better if I put the not here around this one and then remove this not and then say equal. So if this, so when not this and this is equal, we are then going to do all of these. So now the music should stop. It's consistently trying to play the main music though. That's... Why is it consistently doing that? Why? Because this only runs once. Because if this was running, or actually this probably runs. If target updates. Yeah, this here should only run once. What if we put this inside of this process here? Times 7. Right here. I don't understand this, but whatever. Yeah, it's obviously working, as you guys can see, but if you look at the console, that's not okay. Oh, because this is when we have it do this instead of if we have it do this. Important gameplay stuff do with when reframe. Well, this eco manager is consistently running every frame. Yeah, I don't know how to fix this. Okay. Well, we're gonna have to get hacky, I guess, and we're gonna have to define custom music eco paused, and that is currently false. We have not paused it. So now we are going to pause it right here, and then we are going to set custom eco music paused to true, and then all of this is going to be inside of a when custom music eco paused, and then boom, and then so now it's paused. So when it is paused, we are going to pause it. So when not paused, we're going to pause it and we're going to set it here, and then this here is where we unpause it right here. So we are then going to set custom music eco paused to false. Not a fan of that, but if it works for now, it works for now, and then I get smarter, come back, fix it. Okay, so it stopped just once, and now ideally here this is Snowy Mountain music, which shouldn't be hard to do. And then yo, nice. I really like where we're getting with this. So here, final boss. If this is this. Okay, so this is the darker glitch. This is continue. This is mood. Okay, we don't have a lot of these. So hopefully... Oh, here we go. So eco pause. We also set the current music to snow, and then here we set it to false. Maybe. All right. There's some weird hacks in there. Whatever. We'll fix those later. I think it's just really quiet, isn't it? Yeah, it looks like that should be all that's required. I don't know why that's not working. Maybe it should be snow. Okay, yeah, that's cool. All right, that's cool. So now, the one thing that we might want to do with this, if you see here that we set the music bank back to false, we're just assuming that this is custom level only right now. We might want to like set the currently playing music bank and store it here and then restore it here. So that way it would work in like, Spider Cave, whatever. Um, I think that's pretty obvious when it's not gonna work, the reason for that, and I don't think I have a use case for it right now, so I'm not going to fix it at the moment. But yeah, that is been the invention of Ice Eco.